Want to score a free share just by inviting a friend? It's with BUX Zero. It's super easy. Here's exactly how you can get your referral link and start earning rewards. First, open the BUX Zero app and log into your account. Next, go to your profile or settings. Look for a section called Refer a Friend, Invite, or Rewards. Once you're there, tap the option to generate your referral link. BUX Zero will instantly create a unique URL tied to your account. Now, share that link with your friends, family, or anyone you'd like to invite. You can send it via WhatsApp, email, or even drop it in your social media bio. Here's the best part. When your friend signs up with your link, funds their account, and meets the requirements like making their first trade, both of you will get a free share as a reward. And that's it. Just log in, grab your link, share it, and enjoy the perks. If this was helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more simple money tips, and share it with a friend who wants to. Get into investing with BUX Zero.